Here we will write a Python program to accept the data from the user and store it in dictionary. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define empty dictionary. Then we will accept number of elements that we are going to store in the dictionary. So n equal to int input enter number of elements. Then we will use for loop. So for I in range n. Here we will accept name and salary of the employee. So name equal to input enter name of the employee, and in salary we will accept salary of the employee, and we will store it in dictionary. So d of name equal to salary, where name is the key and salary is the value, and then we will print the dictionary. So first we will write message dictionary keys and values, and we will print dictionary with print d. Then we will save this. And we will execute this. It will ask number of elements. I will give 3 and I will enter the name. It will print dictionary keys and values A 30,000, C 40,000 and S 32,000, where A is the name of the employee and 30,000 is the salary of the employee.